Hey guys, this is McLean. Welcome from quarantine. So for today, what you're going to be working on is theme practice, and then you're going to be reading chapter 2 of Lord of the Flies. So the theme practice stuff is actually pretty simple. So you're going to have this PowerPoint uploaded onto Google Classroom for you. So these are the 7 themes that we talked a little bit about before we went on our extended break. And then if you look at the next slide, it shows you an example of this kind of theme practice. So you're going to pick a theme, and it can be innocence and the loss of it, or you can choose one of the other 6 that are on there, and you're just looking at chapter 1. You're going to pull a quote from the chapter that you think best embodies that theme. No, you cannot use the quote that I provided here. You can use the theme, but you have to find a different quote and a different explanation. Make sure that you are citing the quote correctly, right? So we've got parenthesis Golding, which is the author's last name, and the page number where you found it, and parenthesis with a period. And then an explanation that incorporates at least one literary device into your discussion. And this is kind of like the Saming Matters. This is the matter portion. Why is this quote important? How does it show me an example of innocence and the loss of it? And how is it an example of the literary device that you pulled? When you start with chapter 2, this is going to be when things kind of start getting real on this island. We have our first real tragedy here at the end of chapter 2. And based on the chapter title, Fire on the Mountain, you can make an educated guess as to one of the things that happens in this chapter. There is a fire, and it does occur on the mountain. If you guys need me, I will be online in that Zoom meeting. Again, the meeting code for that has been posted to Google Classroom from 11 to 12. And you can also watch that video about how to join Zoom if you are unfamiliar with it already. I'm sure you'll be getting this from some of your other teachers as well, though some of you are seniors, so some of you I'm your only teacher. But otherwise, just make sure that we're submitting things. It's very, very important that you're submitting at least one thing a week, so I can count you present at least once a week, and so that the state doesn't necessarily make us make up all of this stuff. If the state counts us as present because we submitted assignments and things like that, then we'll be much better off. All right, guys, stay safe. We miss you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.